Most people think bathing is just a daily routine, but did you know some of your habits in the shower could be silently damaging your health, especially after 60? Research shows that the way you bathe can have a direct impact on your heart health, skin condition, and even longevity. If you've been feeling fatigued, lightheaded, or dealing with skin problems, your bathing routine could be the culprit. Stay with me until the end, because knowing this could save your life, and if you care about your health and the well-being of those you love, then like this video and share, because the truth needs to be shared. If you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Let's get started. Mistake 1. Bathing too frequently. Stripping away essential oils for decades. We've been told that daily showers are essential for hygiene, but what if I told you that this very habit is secretly harming your health after 60? It sounds counterintuitive, right? Yet doctors and dermatologists have been warning about the hidden dangers of excessive bathing, but no one seems to be listening. As we age, our skin undergoes drastic changes. The body produces less natural oil, making our skin drier, thinner, and more prone to irritation. When you shower too often, especially with hot water and harsh soaps, you strip away the protective oils that your skin desperately needs. These oils serve as a natural barrier against infections, irritation, and environmental damage. Without them, seniors experience cracked, flaky skin, which can become a gateway for bacteria and lead to infections that take longer to heal. But it doesn't stop there. Overshowering has also been linked to weakened immune function. Your skin is home to millions of beneficial bacteria, which play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy immune response. Washing them away too frequently can leave your body defenseless, increasing your risk of skin conditions, rashes, and even chronic inflammation, one of the major culprits behind accelerated aging. So, how often should you really bathe? Experts suggest that seniors should shower just 2 to 3 times a week, using lukewarm water and a gentle, fragrance-free cleanser to avoid excessive drying. On non-shower days, a simple warm washcloth for your underarms, feet, and groin area is enough to maintain hygiene without stripping essential oils. Another trick? Moisturizing immediately after bathing with a thick, oil-based lotion can help replenish the skin barrier. And if you love a hot shower, keep it under 10 minutes, because every extra minute is robbing your skin of protection. Most seniors have no idea that their daily shower is making them age faster, increasing their risk of skin infections, and silently weakening their immune system. But now you do. The question is, will you make the change before it's too late? If you like this video, please comment number 1. If you don't like it, comment number 0 to let me know so I can make a better video for you now. Mistake 2. Ignoring bathroom safety. While bathing a disaster waiting to happen, most seniors don't realize it, but their bathroom is the most dangerous room in the house. You might think a warm shower is a place to relax, but in reality, it could be one misstep away from a life-altering injury. Here's the hard truth every year. Over 250,000 seniors end up in the ER due to bathroom-related falls, and the majority of these accidents happen while bathing. Why? Because as we age, our balance weakens, our reflexes slow, and our bones become more fragile. A simple slip on a wet tile floor or a misstep while getting out of the tub can lead to a broken hip, traumatic brain injury, or months of painful recovery. And for some, a fall can even mean permanent disability or a loss of independence. But it's not just the risk of falling that's concerning. Many seniors ignore the warning signs of dizziness, sudden weakness, or overheating while bathing, all of which can cause fainting and loss of consciousness in the shower. Certain medications like blood pressure pills or sedatives increase the risk of blacking out, and when that happens in a slippery bathroom, the results can be deadly. Yet, despite these dangers, most seniors don't take even the simplest precautions. They don't install grab bars, they use regular bath mats that slide easily, and they rely on old, unstable shower doors that offer no real support in an emergency. Worse, some still climb over the edge of a high bathtub, thinking they'll always be strong enough to do it until the day they're not. Now the question is, how to fix it? Install grab bars immediately. A simple set of sturdy, properly placed grab bars can prevent 80% of bathroom falls. Install them inside the shower, next to the toilet, and near the entrance for maximum safety. Secondly, use a non-slip bath mat. Most regular bath mats don't actually prevent slipping. Get a rubberized, non-slip mat both inside and outside the shower to ensure a firm grip. Switch to a walk-in shower or bath seat. If stepping into a tub is a struggle, it's time to upgrade. Walk-in showers eliminate the dangerous step-over motion, and a bath seat allows you to bathe while seated, reducing fatigue and fall risks. Adjust water temperature to prevent dizziness. Hot showers can cause blood pressure drops, leading to dizziness or fainting. Stick to warm, not scorching hot water, and consider bathing in the evening when blood pressure is more stable. Also, never bathe when feeling weak or lightheaded. If you feel even slightly off balance, fatigued, or dizzy, skip the bath and wait until you feel steady. Many falls happen simply because seniors push through fatigue instead of listening to their bodies. It takes just a few small adjustments to make your bathroom a safe place instead of a potential death trap. The real question is, are you willing to take action now, or will you wait for a near-fatal fall to force the change? If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment number 2 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Now, let's move forward to mistake 3, over-exfoliating and scrubbing too hard, the silent skin killer. Most seniors think scrubbing their skin harder means better hygiene, but in reality it's doing more harm than good. What if I told you that this seemingly healthy habit could be accelerating your skin's aging, increasing infections, and even leading to serious health issues? As we age, our skin becomes thinner, drier, and more fragile. The natural protective barrier that once kept moisture locked in and harmful bacteria out starts to weaken. Yet many seniors continue to scrub their skin as if they're still in their 30s, using harsh loofahs, stiff-bristled brushes, or gritty exfoliating scrubs that literally tear away their skin's natural defenses. The result? Chronic irritation, increased sensitivity, and microscopic wounds that become open invitations for bacteria and infections. Dermatologists warn that aggressive scrubbing can lead to skin tears, bruising, and even severe bacterial infections like cellulitis, which can spread rapidly and, in severe cases, become life-threatening. And here's the shocking part. Older adults with diabetes or poor circulation are 10 times more likely to develop serious infections from skin injuries caused by over-exfoliating. But the problem doesn't stop there. Scrubbing away natural oils causes extreme dryness, leading to itching, flaking, and even eczema-like rashes. Many seniors mistake this dryness for poor hygiene and scrub even harder, creating a vicious cycle that leaves their skin damaged and vulnerable. Even worse, many use antibacterial soaps and harsh cleansers that strip the skin of its last layer of protection. Doctors warn that overuse of antibacterial products actually kills the good bacteria that help fight off harmful germs, making seniors more prone to infections, fungal growth, and even antibiotic-resistant bacteria. So how do you fix this? First, ditch the harsh scrubs and loofahs. Instead of scrubbing with rough materials, use your hands or a soft washcloth. Gentle cleansing is enough to remove dirt without harming the skin. Second, switch to moisturizing, fragrance-free cleansers. Regular soaps dry out and damage aging skin, Look for creamy, hydrating cleansers with ingredients like glycerin, ceramides, and oatmeal to nourish and protect. Third, limit exfoliation to once a week or less. If you feel like you need exfoliation, use a mild chemical exfoliant instead of scrubbing. Finally, always apply a thick, fragrance-free moisturizer within 30 seconds of stepping out of the shower to lock in hydration. Your skin is your first line of defense against infections. The question is, will you protect it before it's too late? If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment number 3 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't shared yet, I recommend you to share and also subscribe. Turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Now, let's move forward to mistake 4, bathing in extremely hot water. A slow damage to your skin and heart. Imagine stepping into a steaming hot shower, feeling the warmth relax your muscles and washing away the day's stress. Sounds soothing, right? But what if I told you that your love for hot showers might be silently harming your health, damaging your skin, increasing your risk of falls, and even putting a strain on your heart? This is a habit many seniors unknowingly develop, believing that hot water helps with muscle pain, but in reality, it creates more problems than it solves. As we age, our skin naturally becomes thinner and loses its ability to retain moisture. Hot water strips away the natural oils that keep the skin hydrated, leaving it excessively dry, itchy, and prone to cracking. This isn't just an inconvenience, it's a serious risk. Cracked skin creates openings for bacteria, increasing the chances of infections like cellulitis, which can become severe if left untreated. Dermatologists warn that excessive exposure to hot water can also accelerate the breakdown of collagen, leading to premature wrinkles, sagging skin, and increased sensitivity. But the dangers go beyond just skin damage. A hot bath or shower can cause a sudden drop in blood pressure, leading to dizziness, lightheadedness, or even fainting. Many seniors have experienced dangerous falls in the bathroom due to a sudden drop in blood pressure after stepping out of a hot shower. Studies show that bathroom falls are one of the leading causes of hospitalization in adults over 60, and in many cases, they result in life-altering injuries. And let's not forget about heart health. Hot water causes blood vessels to dilate, making the heart work harder to maintain blood circulation. For those with heart conditions, high blood pressure, or circulation issues, this can trigger dangerous complications, including an increased risk of heart attacks or strokes. So, how do you fix this habit? First, lower your water temperature. The ideal bath or shower temperature for seniors is lukewarm, around 98 degrees Fahrenheit to 101 degrees Fahrenheit. If your skin turns red after bathing, the water is too hot. Second, limit your shower time to 10 to 15 minutes. Prolonged exposure to even lukewarm water can dry out your skin. Third, always moisturize immediately after bathing to restore lost hydration. And lastly, if you enjoy warmth for muscle relaxation, try alternatives like heating pads or warm compresses instead. The key is balance. Warm enough to soothe, but not so hot that it causes long-term damage. Are you willing to make this small change now to protect yourself in the long run? Mistake 5. Bathing right before bedtime. Many seniors enjoy a warm bath right before bed, believing it helps them relax and sleep better. However, bathing too close to bedtime can actually have the opposite effect, disrupting sleep patterns and even putting stress on the heart. Your body follows a natural circadian rhythm, which includes a drop in core body temperature before sleep. This cooling down process signals the brain that it's time to rest. But when seniors take a hot shower or bath right before bed, it raises body temperature instead, delaying the sleep process and causing restlessness. For individuals already struggling with insomnia or fragmented sleep, this habit can make it even harder to get deep, restorative rest. Another overlooked issue is how hot water affects blood pressure. Warm showers can cause vasodilation, widening of blood vessels, which lowers blood pressure too quickly. For younger adults, this isn't usually a problem, but for seniors, sudden blood pressure drops can lead to dizziness, lightheadedness, or even an increased risk of falls after stepping out of the bath. On the flip side, very hot water can increase heart rate and strain the cardiovascular system, potentially triggering heart palpitations in seniors with underlying conditions. So, what's the right approach? The best time for a bath is at least 1.5 to 2 hours before bedtime. This gives the body enough time to naturally cool down afterward, aligning with the circadian rhythm. If you still want a pre-bedtime relaxation ritual, try a lukewarm foot soak instead. Studies suggest that soaking just your feet in warm water can improve circulation and promote relaxation without interfering with body temperature regulation. If you've ever found yourself tossing and turning after a late-night shower, your bathing schedule could be to blame. Try adjusting your routine, and you might find yourself sleeping better than ever. Bathing should be a refreshing and beneficial routine, not one that secretly damages your health. By avoiding these 5 dangerous mistakes, you can protect your heart, skin, and mobility, ensuring a longer, healthier life after 60. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more life-saving senior health tips. What's one bathing habit you'll be changing today? Comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts.